Hi, this is lesson 10.1, part 1, improper fractions and mixed numbers. Our learning goal is to write improper fractions as mixed numbers and mixed numbers as improper fractions. Write these down. I want you to identify the numerator in a mixed number, identify the denominator in a mixed number, identify the whole number in a mixed number, understand that a mixed number includes both whole numbers and parts of a whole, and use the word in a circle strategy. Use the work in a circle strategy to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. So our vocabulary words are mixed number. It's a number that includes both a whole number and a fraction. Whole number, the large number to the left of the fraction in a mixed number. Numerator, the number on top of the fraction, the amount represented out of the whole. Denominator, the bottom number of the fraction, the number of parts in all. An improper fraction, when the numerator is larger than the denominator. This means that there is a hidden whole number in the fraction. Let's work on an example. Convert 2 3/8 to an improper fraction. Remember to use the work in a circle strategy. So what this work in a circle strategy means is that we're going to start with the whole number. We're going to multiply by the denominator. Gosh, sorry guys. Multiply by the denominator, and then we're going to add the numerator. So 2 times 8 is 16, plus 3, 17, 18, 19. So we will have our improper fraction will be 19, and then our denominator will stay the same, 8. 19/8. That way, if I go back to make it a mixed number, I can see that 8 will go into 19 2 whole times with 3 left over, and my denominator stays the same. So 19/18 is the improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. All right, let's look at this. Now work on that work in a circle strategy and try to convert 3 1/5 to an improper fraction. Go ahead and pause the video. Remember to multiply by the denominator, add the numerator, put that new number at the top in the numerator, and then the denominator stays the same. Okay, so we'll work in our circle, and we'll go 3 times 5 is 15. Sorry, I don't know why I went there. Plus 1 is 16. So my new numerator is 16, and my denominator stays the same, 5. See, if I go back to make that into a mixed number again, I can see that 5 goes into 16 3 times with 1 left over, and my denominator stays the same. Okay, so 16/5 is my answer. Let's move on to practice problem number 2. Convert 13 5/8 to an improper fraction. Pause this, do the work, and then come back and check your answer. So we're going to take 13 times 8. Now I can't do that in my head, so I'm going to just do it over here. 13 times 8. 8 times 3 is 24. I'm going to carry my 2, bring down the 4. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So 13 times 8 is 104, plus 5, 104, plus 5 is 109, and then my bottom number stays the same, 8. 109/8. That's my improper fraction. Let's move on. This is your challenge problem. I guess we got to the challenge problem rather quickly today. Landon is preparing a rice dish for his family's dinner. The recipe is difficult because many of the amounts are listed as improper fractions. Help him by converting the improper fractions to mixed numbers or whole numbers. Good luck. Practice that work in a circle strategy that we talked about today. This is the finish line. Review the learning goals. Do you have the learning goals written in your journal? Do you have the vocabulary written in your journal? Do you have the practice problems written in your journal? Do you have the challenge problem written in your journal? You have completed lesson 10.1. Enjoy your evening and see you in the morning.